everybody's out here like, oh my God, OnlyFans is updating. What's going on? I got some inside secrets for you. They're growing. So what does that mean? That they're putting in more time to adjust their platform. So what does that mean? You got to get on your high horse. Things are about to get into the game. And I'm telling you, the ones who know in this industry will destroy this industry in the best way. Because the ones who get in don't work hard enough and they quit and they don't invest enough in their platform. Let me tell you something about OnlyFans that you need to do. Make sure you subscribe to my channel first if you're on OnlyFans, period, because you need it. Make sure you join my free course so you get my email listings and stuff like that, so you get my updates when my videos come out, because you need to know this content, because I'm out here giving the fire stuff. And I only charge people when they work with us personally, and then the group coaching, because I really want to give as much content out there. And if you could take the information I give you out here and be successful, please make sure you hit me up, send me a testimonial, because I want to know this shit is actually working and people are actually paying attention to make it happen. That's all I got to say. Okay, but second, OnlyFans now is allowing Spotify. It's killing the game. So you got to know that it's an update. Secondly, they're now having the 5 to 10% notifications for the models that are on there, so that you are not for your customers, so that you can show them that they're the top. Secondly, people do not pay for porn stars as much as they pay for side pieces, guys, girls they love and they endure. Just to let you know that. So if you're broke and you can't figure it out because you're just trying to sell your butt, your D, or your butt crack, that's why. And I know a lot of people out there are making it seem super simple. Like, just go on there, post your butt, and send it to people, and you're going to make money. No, not the case. It is like every other business model, and you have to build a business, period. So if you're out here like, I don't know what to do, I'm trying to figure this out, you're just like posting butt pics, you got to pick a niche. How to be successful in OnlyFans, you got to pick a niche. You got to find a lane. You got to figure out where that customer is, and you got to get to them. That's the update on OnlyFans you need to know. It is not as free as you think it is. You're just going to pop out in the world and just go out there and sell it. You got to maneuver if you were a business. And then the first thing you got to know, when you first start, you make most of the money from custom. We're going to start about that, but we're going to go back to updates. Sorry about that. If you know me, I get emotional. I'm driven. I love this shit. I have a great ass time. And because I have a great time doing this, I'd be like, yo, we out here about to fire up. Fire up, okay? We're about to change the industry. Who's out here going to make $100,000 with me this year? Who's here? Who's out here? Because I am. You are? You should. Who here is going to be successful and travel the world by the end of the year? Because all this other shit doesn't bother you. You're like, we're about to turn this shit off. If you are, hit your boy up. We going to get it together. That squad till you die. Okay? Here we go. First things first. The updates on the music is great. Why? Because music is the number one thing traveled throughout the world. You can dig deeper into that. I don't want to get too deep in that concept. Second, the notifying people for being the top. Why? This is a competitive world. People like to beat other people out. So people want to be noticed, so they will find a way to be a king of something somewhere, and giving them the 1% or the highest paid bidder, the most person who spend the most money on you, and letting people know who it is will then, one, drive jealousy in other people to try to step their game up to be the number one. Period. So let's think about this. All those are the updates on the platform. They have new how to post on your platforms. They're updating the content and letting you know how to use their platforms. They're updating all that stuff for you. So it's amazing. I'm excited. So kill it. Okay? First things first, I got to say about that. Second, while we're out here, for you to know this, while we're out here doing all of this updating of OnlyFans, make sure you stay in contact with me in my videos, because that's what we're going to be doing, is giving you more content. That's all the updates I have now. I don't want to make the video too long. It's less than 5 minutes. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you subscribe to the page. Why? Because I have the best content. Marco and Tom. I need you guys to help me, okay?